Okay, so now hopefully you have the adding a photo, filling a font with the photo down, and now I'm going to teach you the real magic. You're going to really be so excited you aren't going to know what to do. So, click on your word again. Now, if we can fill a font with a photo, we can also fill a font with a paper. Because if you remember, a photo and a paper are the same file. They're both a JPEG. So technically, we can go in and find our paper file and add it just as we would a photo. So this is going to allow you to really create all your own custom alphabets and to use coordinating papers to make your titles awesome. You're going to love it. So it's a little tricky. Well, I don't want to say tricky. It just has a few steps. So just watch it a few times if you need to and ask a question if you need to as well. So you're going to come in here to fill a font. Now instead of searching for a photo, we're just going to search for a paper. So if you know the name of a paper that you like, you can just go ahead and search for it and type it in. But I'm going to show you a way to get to all those files if you don't know what you're looking for. Now keep in mind I'm on a Mac. So I'll tell you the PC way in just a second, but it's very similar. What you're basically going to want to do is just get into the MemoryMixer files. So I'm going to come in here on my Mac to my applications folder, and then I'll come in here to MemoryMixer. And I'm going to click on components first, then backgrounds, and then paper. It's really actually quite easy. And then paper packs. It's just kind of walking you through the same file folder structure that's in the program, but you're not actually in the program, if that makes sense. So I want my designs by Krista Sophie. That's what I'm using tonight. I'm going to do this pink dot paper. Click OK, and you're going to see it's just going to fill in there. It's so fun. You're going to love it. There, do you see how cute that is? Can you believe it? I love this so much. I'm going to now click this fill font, and I'm going to be able to customize it even more. So I'm going to zoom it out because I want the dots to be smaller and move it over. So you can do all the same things that you do to a regular photo. I'm going to click OK, and there you go. Is that the coolest thing you've ever seen? So let me just show it to you again. I'm going to click fill font. I'm going to go ahead and replace that photo. I'm going to come into my applications folder. If you're on a Mac, come into applications and then come into MemoryMixer, components, backgrounds, paper, and then pick whatever paper that you like. I want to use the designs by Krista Sophie. And maybe this time I will pick this stripe so you can see what that's going to look like. It's just going to go ahead and plug that in there for me. Look at that. Do you love it? I hope you love it as much as I do. I think it's so, so, so great. Okay, so if you are on a PC, I'm not on a PC, so I can't actually show you, but follow these steps. First, you're going to go into My Computer. Next, you're going to go into Programs. So depending on the version of Windows that you have, it's either just going to say Programs or it will say Programs 8.6 on it. So either Programs or Programs 8.6, and then you're going to go into MemoryMixer. Make sure it's MemoryMixer 3 probably. That's probably the version you have. So it'll probably say MemoryMixer 3, and then Components, and then Background. So all of that will look familiar. It's what I just showed you on my Mac. Again, I'll say it one more time. First, My Computer, then Programs, either Programs or Programs 8.6, then MemoryMixer 3, probably, or MemoryMixer 2, or MemoryMixer, probably MemoryMixer 3. Actually, yes, I'm pretty sure you all have MemoryMixer 3. And then Components, and then Backgrounds, and then find the background that you like. So please, please, please try this and let me know if you have any questions. I know it might be a little tricky for some of you, which is fine. Just please ask a question. I want to make sure that you all figure out how to do this tonight. So I hope that you loved that tip, and I am so excited to see your pages.